Who's that pretty thing standing over there? That's me, standing in the mirror. What's that icy thing hanging around my neck? That's gold, show me something back home. Only think of every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help but be myself, and I don't need nobody else. No, if I was you, I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. If I was you, I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. Hi guys, I'm Kim, and today I'm gonna be impersonating Miranda. I love you, Miranda, no offense, and I hope you like my video, and my lipstick is on fleek just like yours. So like my video, comment down below, and subscribe. Go watch the video, yeah?